I am Andrew Harvey, and I am the founder of the Institute of Sacred Activism. And I want to invite all of you to the free online event that I shall be giving. In this event, I will be going into as much depth as I am capable of about the Christ consciousness, the real Christ consciousness that marries the transcendent with the immanent and offers people on all paths a wonderful way of living out divine love in sacred action. And I will be sharing with you the great St. Francis prayer and how to use it in the core of your life so that you too can become possessed by divine love and act out its truth in the core of everything you are and everything you do.